Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vlogging cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony ZV-1. The ZV-1 II is Sony's second take on its extremely popular vlogging camera. This compact camera features an integrated 18 to 50mm full-frame equivalent lens, which means you don't have to invest in separate glass or bring more gear along on shoots. The wide-angle perspective is ideal for recording yourself at arm's length or capturing broad views when traveling. And the f/1.8 to 4 maximum aperture improves low light performance and allows you to get attractive bokeh when trying to highlight a person or product. Sony's cameras are well known for their impressive autofocus, and that remains the case here. The ZV-1 II offers real-time IAF and real-time tracking, which quickly and precisely focus on and track your subject. It also features a product showcase setting for smoothly transitioning focus from a face to an object when you need to show off a product. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Fujifilm X-S20. Fujifilm's X series of mirrorless cameras draw acclaim for a reason, and the X-S20 makes a top-notch vlogging camera. For starters, it features one of the best hand grips of any camera we researched, without any of the bulk of a DSLR. That makes it a lot easier to hold without purchasing a separate cage or gimbal. It also offers 7 stops of stabilization to smooth out your vlogs when shooting handheld. The vari-angled touchscreen is a big plus for vloggers, as it facilitates any angles that you'll need when shooting, even if that means holding the camera really low or really high. The viewfinder is a bit small for a camera of this size, but most vloggers won't be recording through that anyway. If you want to shoot still photos with this camera, you'll be pleased as well, thanks to the excellent photo quality. It's even capable of up to 20 FPS burst shooting for capturing action. At number 3, we have the Sony ZV-E1. Sony's ZV-E1 is perhaps the best vlogging camera out there. However, it doesn't earn our top spot because its higher price, more advanced features, and interchangeable lens system aren't ideal for a big segment of vloggers. But if you want the ability to produce high-quality content for YouTube, this is the best option for you. This full-frame vlogging camera is capable of 4K recording up to 120p or Full HD up to 240p. Internal 10-bit 4:2. 2 sampling is possible in all recording modes, and there are no recording limits. Sony improved heat dissipation in this camera, and it should offer up to 60 minutes of recording time at 4K 60p. At number 2, we have the Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30's compact size makes it an ideal choice for travel vlogging, but despite the small body, it offers a robust grip, which provides a better, more comfortable hold on the camera. It doesn't offer a viewfinder, but most will be fine with the 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen anyway. An added bonus is that when you flip the screen around, the camera automatically changes to selfie mode and reliably tracks your face. From a video perspective, the Z30 is capable of 4K 30p video or Full HD at p to 120p for slow-motion footage. It allows continuous recording of just slightly over 2 hours, so you can record long takes when touring a location on your travels. You can even live stream at up to 4K 30p. Nikon built the camera with a high-quality stereo mic and also included a 3.5mm mic port if you want to use an external option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canon PowerShot V10. If you are looking for a basic, affordable vlogging camera, the Canon PowerShot V10 is a great choice. This unique camera is very tiny, making it easy to keep in your pocket and record a vlog whenever inspiration strikes. It features an integrated 19mm lens, full-frame equivalent, which is plenty wide for selfie videos or small groups of people. and the small rear screen flips up to help you frame your shots when recording yourself. The budget-friendly price of this camera does mean that it isn't groundbreaking in terms of quality or features. It's capable of 4K up to 30p, or Full HD up to 60p, with reasonable detail and colors. You can easily record vertical video simply by rotating the camera on its side. I found that the 2 stereo mics and a third mic that filters background noise do a good job of producing quality audio, even when I was outside on a windy day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.